Welcome to One Focus Property Management. Our headquarters office is an example of Victorian eclectic architecture, which means it doesn't fall into the other categories of Victorian architecture and has a combination of various Victorian elements. We occupied this space in 2021 after a full renovation, converting the space from a restaurant into offices. The basement holds our maintenance service offices, and the garage is where we operate our repair workshop. We are located on Williamsport's historic Millionaires Row, a street lined with landmark properties and a tourist attraction. This street is picturesque and seems like a fairy tale on spring days, like the day we took this video. Upon entering our offices, we have a customer service area where we help our visitors pick up keys or drop off payments. Our conference room space gets a lot of use between internal meetings, meetings with clients, and educational sessions that we host. We work with clients all over the world, so having the screen and telecommunication ability to have virtual face-to-face meetings is so important. The main area of our office houses the team members who handle the leasing, renewals, lease enforcement, and tenant relations. The Senior Portfolio Advisor's office is in this area, and she's accountable for the leasing and tenant relations activities. The broker's office is central to the action and has room for meetings as well. You will recognize this room if you watch our social media content, as it's usually filmed in this room. Moving back through the office, we find the office of our Director of Maintenance, which is kept plainly in the style of the man who occupies the office. He is directing the activities of our large team of technicians, coordinators, and subcontractors. Next is the office of our Operations Accounting Manager. She is responsible for the management of the accounting we do on behalf of our clients' rental businesses. Our Sales and Marketing Department is in the back of the first floor, housing our Business Development Manager. She is responsible for the sales and marketing activities for One Focus Property Management, working with our newest clients to get their properties onboarded. A unique feature of our office is the accountability chart. We are an EOS company, and instead of an organizational chart, we use an accountability chart that shows the various roles in our company and who occupies which roles. Some of us have more than one role, depending on the needs of the company. Thank you for joining us on this tour of our headquarters office in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. Pay us a visit sometime.